Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oppo Reno 8T device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on your device. Firstly, open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, disable it. If you are not using Wi-Fi but just using mobile network, disable one of them. If you are not using NFC right now, just disable it. If you are not using newbie share, disable. If you are not using location services, disable it. If you are not using NFC, disable it too. For example, edit tiles. Here you can find other features, but as you can see, here I have no any additional features. So great. Okay, so disable location, of course. Great, cool. And now, as you can see, here we have screen brightness control. You can disable screen. You can make your screen dimmer. You can make it dimmer to improve your battery life, and of course disable auto brightness. So you need to disable auto brightness if you will make your device dimmer. And of course, as you have LED screen, you can enable dark mode to improve your battery life. So just find here dark mode and enable it. In the dark mode, your device will consume less battery power because in the dark areas your screen just not working. So your screen works now only when the text, when our colored content, and where is the light content. As you can see, over 70% of my screen is disabled right now, so it means that not consuming the battery power. Great. And of course, the last step you can do is to enable battery saving mode. To do it, find here power saving mode and disable it. You can set up default optimizations, for example, and of course you can enable super power saving mode. In this mode, you will be able to use only 6 applications, but in this mode your device will live really longer. I have only 65% now of my battery, and with these percents my device will work during 2 days. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.